I'm a big fan of eyebrow tinting. It can bring your brows to life, especially if you have really fair eyebrows. It's great for making your brows look fuller because it dyes all those fine fluffy hairs that you have under and around the brows, and it also makes your brows look more even, which is really good for a lot of blondes because they have a lot of multi-tonal colours in their eyebrows. I think your brows should always complement your hair colour, and we can use the same principle as hair dye for the brows. For example, I often lighten and tone my brows to a warmer shade when I have balayage or highlights because they're very cool naturally. The biggest problem we find with tinting is that a lot of people are allergic to hair dyes, so make sure that you do a patch test first. If you are allergic to hair dye, you could try more temporary alternatives like the Brow Colour Boost, which is a coloured mascara that wraps each hair with colour.